Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate to you a safe dock feature that prevents students from sharing screens in Google Meet to prevent your students from disrupting class. Google Meet is widely used in remote learning. However, one of its problems is that students can present their screens during class and take over the control of teacher's presentation. This can mess up the class. The left window is a student's Chrome browser without SafeDock installed, and the right window is another student's browser with SafeDock installed. The share screen feature appears in both the waiting room and in the meeting. In the waiting room, there is a present button next to the Join Now button. As you can see, SafeDock removes the present button for all meetings. On the bottom bar of the Google Meet after joining the meeting, the present button is also removed as if the feature does not exist for students. Teachers are not restricted. Set Block Meet Present to True to disable the screen sharing feature on students' Chrome browsers. If you have yet to install SafeDock, apply 30 days trial.